At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I'm back again with another video. Well, another one here, my wisdom warriors. You know, say PNP release a statement. And on the statement, this is what it said. Integrity in question, Wholeness Administration should face scrutiny over latest Integrity Commission report. You know, hear that? Wholeness Administration should face scrutiny over latest Integrity Commission report. So guess what, my wisdom warriors? When we're out here and we are talk about it, and you know, see, we are try the case, though. We have to show up Andrew Wellness. We have to show up Andrew Wellness because Andrew Wellness not take no check. He not take no check. So we have to show him up. Anyway, in the statement released, stated, December 13, 2024, the parliamentary opposition notes that while the government seeks to downplay the concern raised by the Integrity Commission investigation into the non-compliant Estate Bridge Development Limited residential development at 2 Waycliffe Close in Beverly Hills, it is inescapable that the report highlights critical governance issues. You hear that, my wisdom warriors? You hear that? The report highlights critical governance issues. It does. It does. Me tell you, say, there's nothing credible about Andrew Holness. Listen, Andrew Holness under investigation from different places from long time, my wisdom warriors. You hear me? Different departments investigate Andrew Holness. So Andrew Holness now using brain and the things them we own, he start to give them where say as gift. He thinks that we are fool, you know. But he might give son gift and we're not idiot, Andrew. We know say you own everything. We know say you own everything. Whether you like it, yes or no. You just use a brain pan the people them. And that's my wisdom warriors. Uno know that, me know that, the world know that. Because guess why, you know? If a man under investigation, you know, and you have certain reporter start to investigate, you know, you start to go pull up your sleeve, you know. You go start pull up your sleeve and say, you know what, you better me put that in my sister name, you know. You better me put that in my father name, you know. You better me put that in my pitney them name, you know. That way, you know, they can't catch me. We know the drift. We know the drift. You understand? But you don't have some little things right on paper where defamation and all them something there. And them something there are the problem, you know. Everybody have to use allege. All me. Everything when me just say, my wisdom warriors, it is alleged. Because the rate of Andrew Holness a move, it will go low. It will go low. You understand? It will go really low and upset everybody. So we have to use the term allege. We have to use the term allege. Even though we know, say, him own something of them, me have to say allege. But we know, say, him own it. We're not idiot, boy. Come on, we're all Jamaicans. Come on, we're all Jamaicans. We know the drift. We know how it go, Andrew. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, let me continue reading this statement. Also of particular concern are the following. So this is what is very concerning to PNP. All right. Number one, the report highlights concerns previously raised by the opposition in the relation to critical agencies such as NEPA, NLA, NWC, HAJ, and UDC, which are part of the process of considering and monitoring approvals for real estate developments. Listen this, Jamaica, are all within the Prime Minister portfolio, while he and his wife have each been personally involved as investors in the private business of real estate development. Uno hear that, Jamaica? Uno hear that? NEPA, NLA, NWC, HAJ, and UDC, which are part of the process, listen good enough, which are part of the process of considering and monitoring approvals for real estate developments. And all of them agency, my wisdom warriors, is all in the Prime Minister office. Wanna hear that? It's all within the Prime Minister office, and the Prime Minister and his wife is a big investor. They are a big investor in the real estate. Me telling you already, me always come and tell you. Me always say, don't watch the infrastructure. You understand? Them a real estate developer. Me always come and tell you. You understand? This is why everything Andrew only see one bill. This is why them a take with the land them. This is why them a take with the land them for bill, because of them again from it, not the Jamaican people. See it ya? PNP a make we know, but me know that from long time. Me always a tell you Jamaica. You understand me? So don't be fooled when Andrew Holness come out and a bill. Andrew Holness only building because he is one of the investors. Wanna hear that? And guess what? NEPA, NLA, NWC, HAJ, and UDC, all those agencies are the one that consider and monitor approvals for real estate development. Wanna hear that? And all these agencies are within the Prime Minister portfolio. Wanna hear that? Jamaica? And we out here a joke with Andrew Holness. We are joking. We are jokers. Seriously, we are joke. So when you see Andrew Holness a build up infrastructure, don't be fooled. Them a big investor. Me telling you, say Andrew Holness, I don't know, Prime Minister. Andrew Holness is a businessman. Me I tell you, Andrew Holness I use the Prime Ministership to get rich and enrich himself. And that he's doing, you know see? Me rotted all. It come like, you know see what go on. Blouse and skirt. How this a Prime Minister you get out with so much things? How much? How much more can we take? Wow. And we sit back and we do nothing. We make one man and his wife and milk we. Do some milk we so. Taxpayer, we get up all the while. Go work, pay tax, pay NHT, and can't even get a house. Hello, Jamaica. We have to wake up. Wanna hear me? We have to wake up. Anyway, let's continue. This situation creates untenable possibilities for conflict of interest. It has to be conflict of interest, my wisdom warriors. It has to be. And that's why I don't understand the minister them in the Jamaica Labour Party. You say a big idiot. Christopher Tufton, you know no sense. Oris Chang, you know no head. Marlin, the whole of fool. The whole of idiot. Me tell you no all the time. And me not gonna stop say so. And the little supporters, poor soul. Poor uno. Some of you don't even have a night's dinner. Poor uno. Andrew Holness out here a rip we off. And uno they be at Andrew Holness. Shower. Hey. Uno want somebody dash some water upon uno. But shower. Me say, burn me for them, say my wisdom warriors. And them make Andrew Holness get away with everything. The dirty labor rights supporters them. And them make Andrew Holness get away with everything. This need to stop. And me send out a message to all of the dirty labor right them. Me not talk the clean labor right them, you know. Me talk the dirty labor right them. We are defend Andrew Holness and his dirty slackness. Let me tell you something. When on the year we are call up Andrew name, when it come to water commission, when on the year we are call up Andrew Holness name, when it come to crime, leave we alone because it is all in the Prime Minister office. Yes, it is all in the Prime Minister portfolio. You understand? Because somehow no always come out and talk off on the mouth and say, what Andrew Wallace have to do with the road? What Andrew Wallace have to do with the water? Well, you must know by now that all of these things come underneath Andrew Wallace's umbrella. You hear? Andrew Wallace put all of them something here in his portfolio. You get me? So Andrew Wallace know everything that is going on and him give out order. You hear me? So you need to go do some research. You dirty labor right. You need to go do some research because you out here look like fools. And that bud me and my wisdom warriors. I just want, sometimes I pray, I just want God to just give them little sense, give them little wisdom. Because they're not none. Like literally, come on. I want to just pretend to be a set of fools. You labor right. I pretend, I pretend to be fools. Boy, I'm sorry for you. Seriously. I'm sorry for you. My wisdom warriors, let me continue. Yeah? This situation creates untenable possibilities for conflict of interest. In the instant case, the Prime Minister personal company, Imperium Investments Holding Limited, held shares in the developer Estate Bridge. My wisdom warriors, let me repeat that. Prime Minister personal company, Imperium Investment Holding Limited, held shares in the developer Estate Bridge. At the time, building approvals were applied for from the relevant regulatory bodies. You hear that? You hear that? So Andrew Wallace come out and trick the Jamaican people, boy, or him not own this and him not have no shares. Listen, when I do their report, them put date on it. Labor rights, them put date on it. You understand? Yeah, them put date on it. We know everything what Andrew Wallace do. And on labor right, you know too. You know say Andrew Wallace allegedly own everything. You know that. You get me? You know that. Andrew Wallace, because Andrew Wallace Pitney just turned 18. And from when them do them little, listen. Andrew Wallace Pitney were underage. Him know if run business? Listen to me, man. We all know what is going on. We are not fool boy, you know. We are not fool boy, yeah. Some people want make we think that we are fool, but come on. I want to dance one in a labor right. I una the dance one, una danceness. Seriously, una just dance and so. I feel sorry for you. I'm telling you why me really feel sorry. Yeah, because me know say when push come to shove, PNP I go feel it too. You say if I did up to una alone, I don't care. Me telling you, I wanna care. Seriously. My wisdom warriors. Yeah, let's go back. This situation. Yeah, the situation that they're talking about, is the situation about the NEPA, the NLA, the NWC, which is the National Water Commission, yeah, and the UDC. They are all under Andrew Holness' portfolio. Wanna hear me? So Andrew Holness set the trend in all those areas. And him give out order. Yeah, right this right there. That's why I want the Jamaican people to wake up. Wake up. Hey, you make one man a fool on us, sir? Come on. One man a fool on us, sir? Because he equipped the security forces. Me tell you in Jamaica, if we all come together and unite, them can't win. You hear me? Them can't win. So my wisdom warriors, you see everything I spoke about and all the agency name them when we call the NEPA, the NLA, the NWC, the HAJ, the UDC, all of them, they're my wisdom warriors. It's conflict of interest. It is conflict of interest. This unprecedented situation underscores the need for greater transparency and accountability at the highest level of government. The Prime Minister must divest himself of ministerial portfolio responsibility for all government entities, departments and agencies which have the potential to interface with his private investment companies and their business activities. The opposition is also calling on the Prime Minister to enforce strict compliance compliance with the standards of cabinet conduct enshrined in Ministry Paper 19/2002, which governs the behavior of members of cabinet. The opposition also note that while the Prime Minister has claimed that he has no connection with the development company Estate Bridge, that fact is that the development property in Beverly Hills was transferred to Estate Bridge by the Prime Minister Offshore Company, ADMAT Incorporated, ADMAT, by way of gift and for no consideration. When you hear that, my wisdom warriors, let me rewind. The opposition also notes that while the Prime Minister has claimed that he has no connection with the development company Estate Bridge, that fact is that the development property in Beverly Hills was transferred to Estate Bridge by the Prime Minister Offshore Company, ADMAT Incorporated, ADMAT, by way of gift and for no consideration. Lord Jesus. So Andrew Holness no one convince we, say, he give his son the gift, and he give his sister the gift, and he give Nama the gift, and we believe him. Which Jamaican I go believe you? Which Jamaica I go believe you? Which Jamaica? Which one? The labor right them we don't? My wisdom warriors, my body a hurt me 2 sides and 14 corners. How do them? How them a try trick? How not try trick? And you go one side. Go one side. They told a little bit of my case. Go one side. The Prime Minister needs to explain to the Jamaican people why ADMAT have previously invested considerable resources, the source of which is unknown to the public, in the purchase of this development property, would have proceeded in 2021 to give away its asset to all allegedly unrelated company Estate Bridge, if the Prime Minister really has no ownership interest in that company and in the development which has violated the conditions of its development permit. And you only say, oh yeah, try fall. Oh yeah, try fall. Hey, you need to come and explain to the... Listen, you see, at this point, we don't want to hear nothing. Because I was going to say, you have to come explain. But we don't want to hear nothing from you. Because you tell lie, on top of lie, on top of lie, on top of lie. You just need to take accountability of what you have done. And Joelness, you're a big joker. You're not serious, brother. You're just a businessman. You understand? You're no Prime Minister, brother. You don't even sign the code of conduct. You a lead a country and you not sign the code of conduct. You think so we could have gone to our workplace and then give we code of conduct for sign and we refuse that and still at work? Who says so? You are Prime Minister and you should have set example. You not set no example. You do everything which is bad. And surely we can see that a lot of Jamaicans are following your footsteps. Because that is the example you have set out for them. And when I hear Moped come out and said, our Prime Minister have led our country in such a way. Lady, come on, Moped. I must the ear upon your head a folio. Must the ear upon your head a folio. When me hear the lady say, Andrew Holness led us through COVID. Andrew Holness is the only Prime Minister we curse poor people and treat poor people like shit during pandemic. Remember, you know, I want to remember good. A whole heap of people unalive during that time. Whole heap of people. Remember at one point they did a talk about how we figure take it something. Yeah, then we will get water. What I talk about? And you always even go as far as say God make it. Come on. And you only charge up to 900,000, 800,000, 700,000. Yeah? For not wearing a mask. Which other country do that? No other country not do that. How can you put pressure upon poor people when people are drop dead? Come on, Jamaica. I wanna see them labor right come out and cuss. Most of uno did out and a cuss. Uno was so upset. But guess what? Uno have short-term memory. But guess what? And you only say go lace on a blouse and skirt if uno no get up. If uno no get up and you go lace uno, you have a switch put on there. Uno think a joke? Hey, mighty God of Daniel. Wanna see how we come out? And we are one, you know. Jamaica, me come out personally. And me I encourage you know. Me want you know. Me cuss when me ready. Mighty God of Daniel. But nobody not take no telling. Because what? Because what? Alright. Me just want to get up. Me not tell you no say if you get up and go war. Me just ask for demonstration. Demonstrate. You understand? Go to one councillor, go to one MP, tell them say you want go road and you want protest because you don't like what Andrew Wallace do. Go! You don't need to do it. I wanna wait pan. Right it. You know say Andrew Wallace a recruit wholly more police and soldier. And you only say equip for you. You think nobody else? I feel the Jamaican people when you start with the bullshit. When them start with them foolishness and then you know start jump up and ball out. Hey, you have to keep quiet. Because when Andrew Holness done send out insecurity, I done it done. Remember me tell you no. Remember see him say no meet thy maker. And what Horace Chang say? Shoot to kill. Don't forget. Last but not least, the opposition is also concerned that there appears to have been a deeply compromised approval and enforcement system at the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, KSAMC, during the tenure of the previous administration. The investigations by the KSAMC should be allowed to proceed to their conclusion as recommended by the Integrity Commission, free of political interference or pressure from the government. You hear that? The opposition remains steadfast in its commitment to good governance, transparency, and accountability in the interest of all Jamaicans. Boy, one thing me say, PNP really care about the Jamaican people. They really do. They really do. But when you have a mastermind criminal, Jesus and mercy, God have to go move you, man. God have to go move you, Andrew. God have to go move you. How you just a sit down in a parliament, so you're just sitting down and not going like you're this good man, brother. You not no good boy. You don't even sign the code of conduct. That for sure you say. You not have no respect for the Jamaican people. None towards the Jamaican people. You're a pretender. And you're pretending very well. And guess what? Only the wise can see that you're a pretender. Only the wise. Mighty God. I don't know any of my wisdom warriors, but all this information, it's too much. Una do too much. How can you have National Water Commission in your portfolio, in your office? Are you run the place? And when we come out and talk about it, the little labor rights supporters them get vexed. And I say we have to call up Andrew Holness name, yeah, because Andrew Holness deal with this department, and Andrew Holness deal with that department. Like, come on. Andrew Holness run the whole place. Anything to do with money, Andrew Dede. Me tell you for a long time. Anything to do with money, Andrew Dede. So my wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think about all this, because I want to hear phone views on it. Put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. My people, don't forget, go over to my second channel. It is called PNP News Round. Subscribe and get me to 5K. Tell a friend about Attack for the Press. Blessings upon blessings. One love.